Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with the F57L Smartwatch, a blood glucose monitoring smartwatch. So we are done with the checking of the design and specs of this blood glucose monitoring smartwatch. We are also done with the checking of the menus and features. So this time we are going to check on this sport app. As you can see here, it is using the H-band application available in the App Store and in Google Play. Okay, so we are going to install it, okay, in our Android smartphone, and we are going to pair it with our F57L Smartwatch and check other options available in the support app. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, especially the H-band app, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so if you want to download the application, we have here, okay, the QR code of the smartwatch available in the smartwatch, or the QR code of the support app available here in the smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the H band. Okay, it's also here in the packaging, as you can see, and of course in the user manual. So let's search it. Okay, in our case we are just going to search it here in the Google Play Store. Okay, so we have here the H band and we have the application. So a very lightweight application, as you can see here, just 23 MB and with over 1 million downloads. Okay, so let's try and install the application. Okay, so I guess this will just be going to be fast, okay, as the application is a lightweight app. Okay, we are on 100% now, and let's wait. It's now installing. Okay, it's done in the installation. We have here version 9.8.3. okay, I guess let's open the app. Okay, so here is our smartwatch. As you can see, there's no permission here so far. Okay, we are already directed to the dashboard here, or to the UI of the H-band app. Okay, so we have here in the bottom part, we have the dashboard, workouts, mine. Okay, so in our case, let's pair the smartwatch. So click to connect device. So tap on it. So we have here the permission. So allow H-band to access this device's location. Just allow it. Okay, in Android 6.0 and above. Okay, confirm. Okay, so let's enable permission. Let's check it here. Bluetooth, and seems like everything is okay. Go back, permission. Okay, so we will allow it. Okay, contacts and call logs. Okay, so everything is set. Let's go back, and now it is searching for our smartwatch. So we have here the Hilo RT and we have the F57L Smartwatch. So let's tap on it. Okay, are connected. Please wait a moment. Okay, let's see if we can pair it flawlessly. Okay, there's no data if no pair account now. Okay, yes, and let's see if we are going to have a successful connection. Okay, so that's it. I guess we are successfully connected. As you can see here, we have the F57L Smartwatch. Okay, so seems everything's okay. So we have here the health, okay, data. So let's stop here and see if there are other settings. More. So with the heart rate, what's this one? Blood oxygen. Okay, let's go on the notification. Okay, this push function needs to obtain push messages. Yes. Okay, so let's allow the H-band app. Okay, then next go back. So let's allow the SMS as well as the WhatsApp application. Okay, these are the applications that we always use. Okay, so we have other applications here that is supported by the H-band app. Go back. So you can have here continuous monitoring of the heart rate. Okay, pair device, find, personal BP mode, screen on time 10 seconds. Okay, let's adjust it. We'll make it 20. Confirm. Save. Okay, take photos, switch settings. What's this? So you can have here real-time automatic, temperature monitoring, firmware upgrade. This is the latest version, and we have dial settings. Okay, I guess that's it. We have successfully set our F57L and paired it with the H-band application. Okay, so far no issues with the installation. Okay, app style, and we have successfully connected and paired it. Okay, very easy to pair, no sign up. Okay, no login, just install and pair your F57L with the H-band support app. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the installation of the H-band app in Android, specifically the F57L Smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.